300 grams of chicken in a bowl. Season with salt. Add black pepper. Add paprika. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cooking oil in a hot pan. Place the chicken in the hot pan. Fry until golden. Perfect and nicely browned, set aside for now. Olive oil in another pan. Add 2 chopped onions. Fry for 5 minutes. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves. Add 1 grated carrot. Cook for 5 minutes. Boiling water to cook the pasta. Add salt. 175 grams of pasta. Cook for 10 minutes. Add 250 milliliters of blended tomatoes to the onions. Season with salt. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add the cooked chicken. 50 grams of cheddar cheese. Add the cooked pasta. Mix well. Finish with fresh coriander on top. Perfect.